Hello everyone and welcome to a new video by Less Tax to Pay. Today we're going to be looking at cash flow and looking at CIS summary reports. So you're a CIS subcontractor or contractor and we just want to get a report to see where we stand on a monthly basis on how much we've been deducted and how much we've deducted ourselves. But just before I start, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're doing videos every week on different features inside Kashflow so you can use and get the maximum out of the software that you need to. Also hit that bell notifications, then you'll be notified when we do upload. We'll also be doing different automation tools as well as the software like Kashflow, QuickBooks Zero. We'll be doing automation tools as well. Hit that like button, hit that comment as well, good, bad, indifferent. We like to see what the feedback is from you guys. All the comments are replied to, good or bad, but let's get into the video. So, as you can see, we're in the dashboard. We've done some purchases and we've done some sales and we just want to see where we stand on our CIS. So, where we need to go is go to reports. You've got a list of reports here. So, if we go to business and you can see CIS summary. Very, very simple. Now, generally CIS is done on payments received, but I'm going to do it on items issued because we haven't actually paid these off. And then you would run it for the period that a CIS runs for. So CIS generally runs from the 6th of February 2021 to the 5th of March 2021. Now, that might not have anything in it, so we'll just have to see. So if I look at sales, there's nothing there. So now I go back and go, okay, well now it's the 6th of March 21 to the 5th of April 21. We'll look at the sales. So you can see here there's two and the values of them in total and the value of the CIS deduction. So that's how much I've sent as an invoice. So that's how much I'm being deducted. So that's what's going to go against my taxes paid on my behalf. Now if I look at the purchase side, which is my subcontractors that I've taken on, I've got £200. So I've been deducted £600, but I've got to pay £200. When both of those are filed, one will contra the other off and it will leave a balance of £400 in my favour to go towards either another CIS bill or another tax. So this is a very, very simple solution to be able to see what you've been deducted and what you are deducting. But do remember that CIS is done on payment, not on invoice. So you'll have to make sure that when you select the option, you select payments received. Okay, you can see these are not paid off, so they're not going to appear. But that's how CIS is done. It's done on payment. It's done on a cash basis, not an invoice basis. So just bear that in mind. But it's a very, very simple way to see what's been deducted. And then you can run one for the whole year and it will tell you, oh, you've been deducted X and you've deducted from your subcontractors Y. Take one from the other. Generally, that should be that it's in your favour. But if it's not, then you've got obviously a payment to make, but obviously the majority of it's been taken care of. So that's it for today. A very, very simple, quick video on how to run the CIS reports inside Kashflow. Like I said at the start of the video, if you're new here, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. We've got videos coming out every week. Hit that like button, drop a comment. If you find it good, bad, or indifferent, just to say thank you or no, just can you clarify this point? And then we can obviously help you out. We're here to help. We're an accountancy practice based in Hertfordshire. We're looking to help small businesses because there's going to be a lot of changes coming over the next couple of years, which is going to affect a lot of people. So these videos are designed to help. So like I said, subscribe, get that bell notification. We'll make it as easy as possible for you to run a piece of software for your business so you can get on and do what you're good at, which is in your industry, whatever it is you do. But until next time, stay safe.